In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize your videos for all social media platforms inside a CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to open up CapCut, and now I'm going to create a new project here. And from here, I'm going to click on import. So this video is in an aspect ratio that isn't good for TikTok, Instagram, etc. So I need to import this video from my PC. Alright, I'm in my download section, so I'm just going to import the video. So this one, for example. So as you can see, the ratio, you won't be able to put that in TikTok or Instagram. Well, you can, but it won't look nice. So I'm going to import this, drag it to my timeline, and I'm just going to zoom in a bit here. So if I press play, in order to resize this video to make it fit all social media platforms, you got to first work out what social media platform you want this to be resized at. So say for example, if you want to do a TikTok, you need to resize this. So click on the video and then click on where it says ratio, and then we need to resize it to 9:16, and then from here we need to increase the size like so. Now if I press play, I can go ahead and upload that full screen inside TikTok, and this works. So it's 9:16 works for Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, etc. Once you're happy with that, go ahead and click on export and then upload that to your favorite social media platforms.